Hello, welcome to Cookbook Divas. My name is Jen, and today I'm here to review a cookbook that was just sent to us called One Pan, One Meal by Elena Silcock. It is a collection of 85 super simple, budget-friendly, one-pan recipes that are designed to suit busy lifestyles and those with less kitchen space. So this totally appeals to me because there is nothing more frustrating to me than following a recipe and then ending up with every single pot or pan in the house that you have to clean. So I love that stress-free concept behind this book. So let's jump right in. We have, let's see, 8 chapters here. So a little bit lighter, pasta and noodles, risottos, grains, and pulses galore, a little or a lot of spice. I like a lot of spice, so I can't wait to see what's in that chapter. Weekenders and fakeaways, slower food and comfort cooking, fancier food, and sweet treats and party puddings. Then she goes into some more detail about this book is supposed to be stress-free cooking, and you need either a frying pan or a saucepan for all of these recipes. That's amazing. I'll go back and read this in a little bit more detail later when I'm not trying to flip through and show you all these pretty pictures. Chunky Mexican tomato soup. That looks delicious and would be a great substitute for chicken tortilla soup, which I can't really make for my daughter who is pescatarian. This looks amazing. Green lentil minestrone. That looks so good, and it looks like it has a lot of kale, which I'm trying to add to my diet, so that's a great option. Thai chicken noodle soup. Sweet corn and potato fritters with curry yogurt. Yum, that looks incredible. Miso salmon and sesame greens, smoky squash soup with roasted almonds. That is like the perfect fall soup right there. I would love to try that. Sea bass, butter beans, and sugar snaps, beef pho. Then we jump into the pastas. First one is perfect prawn noodles. My family would absolutely love that. It's colorful, filled with delicious prawns. Yum, that looks so good. Spinach lasagna. That looks like a neat take on spinach lasagna. Hot smoked salmon and creme fraiche pasta. That looks delicious with peas and dillweed. Yum. Sausage and broccoli gnocchi. All-in-one spaghetti and meatballs. Thai green sea bass and rice noodles. Turmeric and ginger chicken noodles. Yum. Very different. Spicy and crispy Szechuan noodles, dolled up tortellini, pasta fagioli. It looks like this one's made with bow tie pasta. That looks yummy. Triple tomato rigatoni. Now that's definitely a kid and crowd family pleaser right there. Then we jump into the risottos, grains, and pulses galore. Leek and black pepper risotto. Yum, lemon and oregano chicken and rice. That looks wonderful. Everyone in my house would like that, even though I'd probably have to separate the chicken out for Natalie. Cajun prawn rice, yum, very colorful. That looks like it has a little bit of a maybe pineapple or some kind of salsa on it. That looks so good. Red cabbage and sausage fried rice. Black dal. Bloody Mary risotto. I love Bloody Marys, and this recipe actually calls for vodka. Definitely trying this one. That looks really tasty. All the greens risotto. Healthy and delicious. Chipotle black beans. Kachari, yum. This looks very soothing. Yum, it looks like she says this is a good Sunday meal. A little or a lot of spice. Sticky 5-spice aubergine and rice. Yum, that looks good. Spiced cod and butter beans. Carolyn prawn curry. Mushroom and aubergine curry. I love curry, so these sound really, really good to me right now. Curried carrot lentils. Best ever chickpea curry. Two of my favorite things, chickpeas and curry. Cauliflower korma. Sweet potato, kale, and cashew curry. So lots of spices, which, you know, you can probably control a little bit. But maybe that might be a little much for someone who doesn't like curry or spices, but to me that sounds wonderful. Butternut and cauliflower dal. And then we go weekenders and fakeaways. Frying pan granola. My kids would absolutely love that on the weekend. That would be great to have on hands. Harissa baked eggs with sweet potato. Giant bacon and egg hash brown. That looks really good. Katsu curry. That looks like katsu breaded chicken with curry and curried rice. All in one carbonara. Let's see what that looks like. Yum. That's mouthwatering. Chicken wings. So we've got some basics in here too. Lamb flatbread pizza. I'm personally not much of a lamb fan, but I know a lot of people are. Pulled pork nachos. Definitely another crowd pleaser. Breakfast tacos. This is let's see, what is this? Aubergine parmesan. That looks beautiful. Butter chicken curry. I have been looking for a good butter chicken recipe. I'm so excited to find this in this cookbook. That looks incredible. Slower food and comfort cooking. Slow cooked lamb and chickpea stew. My ultimate ratatouille. That is amazing that she's got a simplified, quicker ratatouille recipe. I would love to try this one as well. It looks so good. Spanish chicken and chorizo stew. Marmite and French onion soup. That looks really good. Winter roast tagine. Yum. Tagines are so yummy. Let's see, what is that? Ham, potato, and kale stew. That looks very comforting. Yum. Perfect for a cold fall or winter day. Sausage cassoulet. Now, traditional cassoulet recipes take days and days, so I would also love to try this one and speed up the process and simplify it a bit. I think that's amazing that she's included a cassoulet. Fancier food, we've got lamb leg and giant couscous. Seafood and sweet corn chowder. Ooh, yum, that looks so good with a soft-boiled egg. Date night ragu. The pictures and presentation are very inviting in this cookbook, I have to say. They've done a really good job. Masala mussels. I love mussels and shellfish in general. That looks so good to me. Brown butter gnocchi with crispy sage. I had crispy fried sage for the first time recently, and it was mouth-watering. I definitely would love to try that recipe. Steak lentils and beetroot. Fish stew. Crab and rosé spaghetti. Okay, my mouth is watering. I'm picturing eating this with a glass of sparkling wine right now. That looks amazing. And then we have the desserts. Chocolate lava French toast. Looks like they've served this with vanilla ice cream. That looks simple and delicious. Coconut and pineapple crepe Suzette. Yum. Poached peaches with creme fraiche and toasted hazelnuts. That looks elegant and so pretty and good. Mouth-watering. PB&J crumble. I think my kids, and actually I would also love that. Crumbles are good. Yum. This was a banana pudding. And key lime pie-ish. So what a cool take on key lime pie, simplified without the pie crust. It's a key lime pie pudding dessert. That looks so good. Baby spice donuts, which she says are the quickest, easiest donuts that she's ever made. I would totally be down to try these. That looks really good right now. And the last one in here is apple hand pies, which really look like apple-filled crepes, and they look so tasty. And then we've got the index, and that is it. So this, to me, had a lot of recipes that I personally would love to try, and hopefully you would also. And if you do end up trying them and you check out this book, please let us know what you thought in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.